Alright guys, well, we are doing another audio test. Changing up the mic gains again. So we got our camera set to -8 dB. And now I have the transmitter set to -6 dB. And I have the microphone still at my chin down in here. But if this is the dead cat, I have it flopped so the dead cat is facing down. So it's a little bit farther from my mouth. As before, the wind wasn't too bad, but my voice is really blown out. So we'll see kind of how this works. I cut out of work a little early, and we are on our way up to drop the bike off. I think I gotta probably move the camera a little bit, but hopefully we are recording, and we can have a safe trip up. So I got my dad is gonna go meet me up here at the dealer. I think I'm getting a little bit of a late start compared to him, so let's see if we can make up some ground and maybe beat him up there. That dude is straight up puking in his car. What the hell? I love the pops and bangs that this bike makes. That's an ideal 6. Every time you go and you click a gear, bam! Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's like a little Honda Civic Racer boy. Sounds good. So again, we are running no sound isolation. I wanted to try to get into the microphone, or not the microphone, but the transmitter, to try and figure out. I got into it once, but I'm still pretty new to it. How to figure out how to turn off low cut. A little Street Fighter Yamaha. I want to turn low cut off because I don't think I really need that. I just need the anti-clipping. So I gotta look into that. I think I gotta Bluetooth it to my phone, but then I wonder if I Bluetooth it to the phone, does that setting always save? I don't know. So we'll have to see kind of how it all works. Hopefully this doesn't sound too bad. The audio levels don't look bad on the gain control, just on the screen right here. So, bitch, you think you're coming in front of me? Fuck off. Ah, look at the old H1. That's badass. It's the truck version. That thing is sick. Not a bad way to spend a couple $100,000. You know, I'm wearing my leather jacket, and I have a light little like North Face kind of jacket on underneath it. I'm regretting it. It was chilly this morning. It's hot now, and I gotta get moving. I'm starting to get a little toasty. Ooh. Do I see some tunnel exhaust? Did someone say tunnel exhaust? Woohoo! Jeez. That was loud. Someone say tunnel exhaust? Nice and loud. know, I think it's funny, just going side to side like that in a lane. The lady behind me is like a football field back there. Like, I understand she's giving me space, props to you, but like, you can also chill out, like it's not that big of a deal. No need to get your panties all in a bunch and get so terrified of the guy on the motorcycle who's bored inside of a freeway lane going 30 miles an hour. Whoa, 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 how scary. How scary. Alright, let's do a second little audio test here. Same settings other than I just changed my transmitter dB back to 0. So it was set to -0, now it's set to 0.